Okay, so before you watch the intro, I have to throw this in here because it irritates like my soul. My eyebrows always look extremely uneven on camera, but they're literally not uneven. Like I don't know what else to do to make them look like they're not uneven, because right now while I'm filming they look perfectly fine, but when I actually watch the footage back they look uneven. But like I don't want you guys to like exit out and think like this video was like not worth your time, because I swear like it is. I don't know why my eyebrows look like that on camera, but I can still teach you how to make them look natural. So hey YouTube, what's up? What's poppin'? My name's Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Why did I say it like that? Jesus. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. I make videos about literally everything, so just go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, because I know there's something on my channel that you're gonna vibe with. So today we're gonna do a eyebrow tutorial. I have always thought about doing this and I've just never made one, but so we're gonna do like a more natural eyebrow tutorial, and this is how I've been like doing my brows lately, and I feel this looks best in my opinion on me. So they just look more like realistic. Like, yeah, they're filled in and maybe you can kind of tell they're filled in a little bit, but for the most part they look like I just got my eyebrows waxed. They don't look too like over the top, you know what I mean? So if you guys want to see how to achieve a more natural eyebrow, then go ahead and let's just what? I can't talk today, y'all. Didn't take my ADHD meds, so there's that. But yeah, go ahead and keep on watching if you want to see how to get I can't talk. Oh my god. Bro, yeah, so just go ahead and keep on watching if you want to see how I achieve this look. All right, thanks. Peace out. So for step one, you're gonna want to take a headband or anything that you can use to pull your hair out of your face. Personally, I'm going to use a headband and just get your hair out of the way. First step I do is I take the spoolie. I used the Anastasia Brow Wiz to do my eyebrows, but I use the spoolie end, and you can use any spoolie that you have. If you don't have one, that's okay too. It is just easier to have one so you can brush your brows out. So I take the spoolie in and I brush them out so that they're not wild, just they go the way that they're gonna go. And then I recently just plucked my eyebrows, so I don't have anything to clean up, but if you did, this would be the step where I would use tweezers to clean up anything messy. This next step is optional. Again, you don't have to do this, but I like to do this. So I take a clear mascara and I go ahead and I brush it through my eyebrows just lightly, just so I can like keep in place like the hairs where I want them before I actually start filling my eyebrows in. So then once you've done that, then I take my Anastasia Brow Wiz. You can take whatever product you use, but let me explain why I think this one works best in my opinion. So this is what the tip looks like. It's very focused. The tip is kind of like, it's smaller, so it's like, I think it's just easier to work with. Like you can really navigate the way that you want to. Also, I use the color chocolate brown because that is the closest to my brow color. What I do when I explain is that if you're using a brow pencil that is either too light or too dark or just too off from what color your actual eyebrows are, it's going to be very apparent that you filled your eyebrows in. And for what we're going for, we're looking for a more natural look. Like, I'm sure it'll still somewhat look like we have filled in eyebrows, but it'll, for the most part, look like you just got your brows waxed and they look real nice, you know what I mean? So that's what we're going for. So I take this little guy and then I'm just going to go with the lightest brush stroke and just like fill in at the end where like there's like spaces, okay, with the lightest stroke. You do not need heavy hand for this at all. And it's gonna look kind of messy, but that's okay because we're going to go over it. So then I like to kind of just spoolie that through. And you're just gonna like continue to repeat this step throughout your like eyebrow. Anywhere where you feel like it's a little sparse, you just go ahead and go in with the lightest brush stroke. And if at any point you're starting to feel like your eyebrows look a little crazy, remember that that's what concealer is for, and we are going to clean it up with concealer. So if it looks a little too thick, or you just feel like in general it looks a little crazy, that's what the concealer is here for. So I don't really do a lot in the front because, again, I'm trying to make it look as natural as possible. So if I don't feel like it's necessary to fill a spot in, then I just leave it blank. And then if I am gonna do like a little bit darker at all, it's gonna be at like the tail end, like at the bottom right here at the tail end. And that's about it. And then we go in with concealer and a flat brush, and we just go ahead and conceal. Oh, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So if you just want to stop right there and just do the bottom, that's totally fine. But like I said, I'm always going to be a person who does the top too. It just is what it is. I like my brows like a little more straight, like straight brows are my thing. But if I feel like at any point like that's not satisfying for me, I'll go back in. Now you have a really natural looking eyebrow. I'm gonna do the other side off camera and I will be right back. Or I guess I could just like speed through. Alright guys, and then this is the finished look. So as you can see, like they just look a lot more on the natural side. They don't look too like over the top, overdone. Like they look very realistic, very natural. And that's what we were going for. So yeah, so that's how you get natural looking eyebrows. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to see anything else like this, like a natural makeup look or anything you want to see, please leave comments down below because I'm always looking for ideas, especially because I'm doing Vlogmas this year. So like, yo, I need hella video ideas, guys. Drop them in the comments down below for real. I'm really dedicated to like making Vlogmas happen, so please drop your comments. But yeah, go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload videos. I can't talk today. But yeah, hit the bell to be notified every time I upload new videos. And yeah, Also, if you want to follow me on my social, I always link them down below in the description, but also like on the little screen that you see before my video starts, I have all my socials on there as well. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.